How to change Windows 11 administrator email. So if you want to change Windows 11 administrator email, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have an internet connection. Now, if you open up your settings, then here on the left side, you will have accounts. So you just need simply click on accounts, and here you need to go with accounts again. And here you will have your administrator email, right? So you need to just go with your browser, and you need to go with the browser and sign in to the account that you have on your administrator email. So make sure that you've signed into that email, and after that go with search and search for Microsoft. Go with microsoft.com, and here you need to go with the top right which has sign in, and make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, go with the profile again and then go with my Microsoft account. And now you can go with the your info, which is on the left side. Under your info you will have your name, so you need to scroll down and you will have your full name. So you just need simply go and change your name on your Microsoft account. So make sure to select the Microsoft account or switch to the Microsoft account that is on your administrator, and go and change the name of your Microsoft account. And after changing the name here, then it will be changed on your laptop or your PC because it's the same account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.